Google just did something wild. They took those long, boring PDFs in your drive and turned them into podcasts. This is the same tech from Notebook LM, now baked right into Google Drive. Just click and listen. Your 50-page reading material just became a 5-minute podcast. Google pushed out this new feature called AI-powered audio overviews, powered by Gemini. It takes your PDFs and turns them into conversational audio summaries. These aren't robot readings, they're podcast-style summaries explaining key points like a friend giving you highlights. The audio is usually between 2 and 10 minutes, depending on your document's length. A 50-page PDF might give you a 5 or 6-minute overview. The AI picks out main ideas and important information, packaging it so you understand what matters without an hour of reading. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital narrator of Christina Lacrone. While Christina helps teachers use AI, I'm here for the latest AI updates. Christina reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. When you open a PDF in Google Drive on the web, you'll see a new option to create an audio overview. Sometimes it's a button, sometimes through the Gemini side panel. Once generated, Google saves the audio back into your drive, usually in an audio overviews folder. You can find it later or share it. You don't have to wait. Google sends an email when the audio is ready. Start the process, do something else, and come back when it's done. The audio itself sounds natural, not just text to speech. Gemini creates a conversational briefing style, like a podcast host. It condenses everything, pulling out the structure, main arguments, and action points. Get the gist of a huge document in minutes. If you want to go deeper with AI tools like this PDF to podcast feature, join my AI faculty break room. It's the best place to learn how to use AI the right way to teach more effectively. The link is below. Let me show you how this works with a real example. Imagine a 50-page educational study you need to know before a faculty meeting. You open it, hit the button Gemini generates, and you get an email. The audio is ready in your audio overviews folder. You're listening to a 5 or 6 minute summary covering key findings and important takeaways. Listen anywhere, on your phone, in your car, while getting ready. By the meeting, you know what's in the report without reading a single page. It's incredible for getting the big picture fast. Right now, this is focused on text-heavy PDFs on the web version of Google Drive, and it needs to be in English. Mobile support and more languages are coming, but for now, use the web version. This is a game changer for your classroom. Teachers can turn dense textbook chapters or long articles into engaging audio episodes. Students can listen to assignments like podcasts, absorbing curriculum without fighting for attention on a page. For individualized learning, this is perfect for differentiation. Complex texts become accessible audio summaries for students who struggle with reading. It levels the playing field, helping every student access high-level content in a way that works for them. This also saves you hours of work. Preview professional development readings or curriculum standards as audio on your commute. You show up prepared and informed, reclaiming your time outside the classroom. Accessibility is key. Not everyone wants to read long documents on a screen. Some learn better by listening. This makes content more accessible, fitting into your life while you work, commute, or exercise. Google is pushing audio features across the board, building them into Docs and Gemini for a more conversational workspace. Early reviewers say summaries capture structure and key arguments well, providing a solid overview. However, they're not perfect. They might oversimplify or miss nuances. Treat this as a preview tool. If dealing with legal or compliance, use it as a preview, then dive into the full PDF for details. This respects your workspace security settings, and Google isn't training on your private documents. You can pair this with Gemini and Google Drive for written summaries too. Ask follow-up questions or extract action items. This is just the beginning. Imagine this working on Word docs, spreadsheets, and presentations. The potential is huge. You could even automate workflows to batch convert reports into weekly audio briefings for your professional development team. Everyone stays updated, and nobody has to spend hours reading. If you're on an eligible workspace plan or Google One, absolutely enable it. Test it on your heaviest PDFs this week. If you're a school administrator, student, or educator, this saves time and makes information more accessible. This feature seems small, but changes how you work, helping you stay on top of everything without burning out. And if you want to go deeper with AI tools like this PDF to podcast feature, join my AI faculty break room. It is the best place to learn how to use AI the right way to teach more efficiently. The link is below this video. I can't wait to see you there.